Wow, this line is so long today.
Yeah, I know. I didn't expect so many people.
Maybe it's because it's Saturday. People don't work today, so they all come here.
That makes sense. I just hope they don't run out of muffins.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I live nearby, so it's my favorite place for coffee. What about you?
It's my first time, actually. My friend told me they have great cappuccinos.
Oh yeah, they're really good. I usually get an Americano, but their cappuccino is also nice.
Sounds good. I like sweet drinks, so maybe I'll try that.
Good idea. By the way, do you live around here?
Not really. I live about 15 minutes away, but I came to meet a friend later.
Oh, cool. It's a nice area. Lots of small shops and parks.
Yeah, I noticed. I might walk around after I get my coffee.
That's a good plan. Oh, look, the line is finally moving.
Great! Coffee is almost here.
Great job. Let's review some useful expressions to teach or explain.
1. Run out of. To have no more of something.
Example, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy some.
2. Come here often. A friendly question to start small talk.
Example, hey, do you come here often?
Yeah, I love their coffee. 3. Live nearby. Live close to this place?
Example, I live nearby, just 5 minutes from here.